أعزائي المشاهدين أهلا وسهلا فيكم. اليوم حلقتنا مختلفة، حنعمل طبق كتير لذيذ وسهل، ومعاي ضيفتي الجميلة شيري.
Hi, Manal.
How are you?
I am good and so happy
Me
to be here
too.
with
Me
you.
too.
We're such good friends and it's a surprise that I'm in
Yes.
your kitchen finally.
Thank you. Me and Sherry, we work together for different projects for the United Nations, the World Food Program. We do a lot of activities.
Yes.
We travel together.
We were in Kathmandu, Nepal
Yes, in Nepal.
for the Scaling Up Nutrition movement, and it was fun. You cooked a lot.
Yeah. And today we will cook a very simple recipe, but let me offer you something to drink. Give me something to drink. Yes, thank you.
Oh, wow.
Thank you, Lujain. You are
Thank
so
you.
kind.
Sukran.
See what I am really proud being here with you. I prepared for you coffee and a drink. I want you to eat many things, drink many things.
I'll try this Turkish coffee
This
first.
Turkish coffee.
Yeah, because I've been so busy in the expo and I'm sleepy, so I think they'll
This
wake me
will
up.
wake you up.
Wow, so good.
Yes.
What's in this
This
coffee?
is Turkish coffee. I added little milk to make it lighter for you.
Oh, wow. Or else I'll be awake for 1 week. Turkish coffee is so strong. Thank you.
So today we will cook something really very nutrition, and I will just ask you to have some gloves if you want to help me.
Yes,
you want to cook?
please, of course.
You can use this one, and I will take one more. It's not a recipe. We are not cooking actually. We are just preparing very famous. It's a kind of salad. We call it fatoush.
Fatoush. I know that Mediterranean diet is like the healthiest diet in the world.
It is.
Right?
It is.
Because
It is.
you eat a lot of salads, you eat a lot of healthy like ingredients and colorful ones. I'm so
Yes.
excited. And you know
Yes.
me, I eat whatever you prepare, so not a problem.
Not a problem. Let me talk about ingredients. Very simple. We have lettuce, cucumber, tomato, mint, and this we call it ba'le.
Ba'le,
And lemon juice, Palestinian olive oil. This
Palestinian
very
olive oil,
important.
wow.
Yes, and sumac. This
Sumac.
is the powder would give you this.
Can I try it?
sweet- Like sour taste.
Wow,
Yes,
so good.
Yes, it is.
After
Now,
the coffee, it's perfect.
coffee and like chocolate with the sea salt.
Yeah, sea salt
the-
taste, yeah.
Now here we have bread, pita bread. You can taste it, please.
Bita bread.
Yes, we have two options, Sherry. Maybe you can fry it or you can roast it in the oven. It's
This
up to
one?
you. This one is fried,
So good.
but you can roast it in the oven. Bake it.
Oh,
you cut it
okay.
and put it in a tray and bake it in the oven for a few minutes. Okay, so let's.
And this one?
This is green olives. Please take
So
one.
green olives, how do you call
Yes.
this here?
Yes, take one, please. And after
What
you
is
remove
green olive in Arab? Like the word.
zaytun.
Zaytun.
Yes. After you finish, you can remove the bite, and you just put it here. You see, this is the place.
Wow.
Yes.
I want to bring this home.
Please take it. Please. This is for you.
This is so good.
Yes, it's
And
like you
everything
can
here.
take memory from me.
But by the way, everything here looks so beautiful. Look at your,
Thank you.
your container, your pot. It talks about culture.
Of course, this one from Jordan, all handmade.
Oh,
And
wow.
Palestine also, we do a lot of this very traditional design and all handmade.
Can I stay in your kitchen for a month?
Of course.
I think I'll go home, I gained 20 pounds.
Of
I'll
course.
just eat everything.
So tell me, how was your activities in Expo this time?
Oh, it's amazing. We launched the Good Food for All.
Yes, this is
And
something really...
good food starts or begins with farmers.
Okay,
and
great.
I'm actually helping a lot of farmers in the Philippines.
Yeah.
And good food is about love. You know, I
Great,
think
great,
this is really
great.
what we're doing here.
Uh-huh.
time you eat and have food, it's always shared with your family, with your community, especially the people who don't have food. That's what you do a lot, right?
Yes,
in
yes,
World
yes.
Food Program.
Yes, and you remember when we met and
In Nepal?
cook in Nepal? We have it's a gathering, we call it Chef's Manifesto. بالعربي سميناه تجمع الطهاة. كل الطهاة بتجمع مع بعض, we cook together. I'm talking about the Chef Manifesto.
Yes.
Yes, and you are doing a very good job there.
Yes, I'm an adopted Chef Manifesto farmer. So in the Philippines, I help 30,000 smallholder farmers.
متخيلين 30,000 مزارعين أصحاب مزارع صغيرة بتساعدهم في تنمية مهارتهم في الزراعة.
Yeah, my company is called AGREA, and we really, make sure that the farmers who are producing the food will definitely have food also on their table. So, we help a lot our farmers.
Of course, بالضبط.
We send their children to school. I think that's what we do a lot in World Food Program, in scaling up nutrition movement, and a lot of our UN work.
احنا كتير بنهتم مش فقط بتوفير الطعام للمحتاجين ووقف الجوع, بس كمان يكون الطعام هيلثي وصحي عشان فعلا يكونوا أطفال أصحاء. Thank you so much for all your efforts, Sherry. Really, you are doing a very good job.
You're doing a good job too.
You said you will help me.
So how do I do this? So
kindly bring me this one and
this bowl.
Yes, I will help you to put everything here.
And I'll just mix it.
And you will mix it. Yes.
Oh, perfect. I'm good at mixing because I'm so excited to eat. So we have tomatoes.
Yes. It's a very simple recipe.
Green pepper.
Yeah. Now we start.
Cucumber.
Yes, I will put the oil.
Okay.
Okay. A lot of olive oil. This will give you
Palestinian olive oil.
Some lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
And dried mint. We don't put too much, only little dry mint. Yes. You start to smell.
This is so, Manal, this is so colorful.
Oh,
I like it. Yeah. They said.
And the pomegranate. Yeah. Just little. Yeah.
They said that the more colorful your food is, the healthier it is, right? That's why they said eat your rainbow.
Exactly. Exactly. هاي ملاحظة كتير حلوة تذكروها إنه كلوا قوس القزح وألوان قوس القزح. يعني أكلتكم تكون فيها ألوان كتير. واو. You smell? You smell?
So good. I'm so excited to eat.
Yes.
They said to eat your rainbow, and this is basically rainbow.
Just little salt.
Salt.
And it's ready. That's it. We can serve it here.
It takes 3 minutes.
Exactly. Exactly.
Or you just cut the vegetables so fast.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can put it here, please, with your beautiful hands.
Like
just
that?
put it, yes.
In the middle.
Look at that.
Look at that.
You know, in Ramadan, every day we have to when you breakfast in Ramadan, we have to eat this first thing in Ramadan. We cannot stop.
Oh wow, but this is so healthy.
It is.
It's so good because after not eating for a long time, and then you eat this one, it's so good for your gut.
Yes.
Right? Like for me, every day, before I eat anything, I always eat fruits and vegetables.
This is very important.
Because it makes your gut healthy.
Yes. That's perfect. I'll
wow.
put some more.
This is such a dream come true, Manal. We were just talking like one day I'll go to your house and be in your kitchen, and I'm literally
this
like
is a dream.
Here. I thought I will just be eating in your kitchen. Now
you are welcome.
A dream come true.
Yes, please.
You know, preparing amazing fatouche salad with Manal. Okay. And I'm so excited to eat this one.
Yeah, please. Can I take your gloves, please?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. And we will enjoy it now. Sometimes we serve it with the green olives, and sometimes we just keep it beside.
Yeah, but these green olives are so good.
And as I mentioned, you will take the plate with you. This one for you, right?
Wow, this is like my Little remembrance.
Yeah.
Oh, and it has hand-painted
Yes,
olives.
the olives. That's why
Oh,
you will
wow,
remember
this is
we
so-
always.
So they said food should be culturally appropriate, right?
Yes, it is.
Food
Yes,
should
yes,
be
it
nutritious food. Should be affordable, accessible, nutritious for sure, and appropriately,
Yes.
culturally appropriate. I think
Yes,
everything here is
yes.
culturally
And
appropriate.
the more we eat local food, the more we get happier because
Yes.
we just, it's not eating the food, it's how we serve the universe, right? It's
What
not
did they put
eating-
in this olive?
Just
So good.
olive oil. We put the olive and we put olive oil.
Oh, wow.
And we sometimes we put water with salt and we leave it for a couple of days. I'll give you a fork. Please enjoy your fatouche.
We'll see if my skills in mixing fatouche was amazing.
You know, we have to mix it well because we want to make sure that the olive oil is already
Yeah.
coat all the vegetables.
The vegetables, and I think I did it well.
Try.
Sarap. In the Philippines, we call it sarap, means delicious.
Oh, this is a new word to learn.
Sarap.
Thank you.
And it smells so good.
Yes. It is.
Wow. The mint and the tomatoes are just bursting in my mouth, and it's so good. And this, the green onions. Wow.
That's
I
really good.
can eat this every day.
That's why we are telling that in Ramadan we eat every day. I'm serious.
Wow. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. أعزائي شكرا لمتابعة هذه الحلقة لطيفة سريعة مع ضيفتنا شيري من الفلبين. حكتب لكم أكثر تفاصيل عنها تتعرفوا على هذه الشخصية المميزة الرائعة. Thank you for being in my kitchen.
This is a dream come true. I was
Thank
telling you.
Thank you.
So thank you for
Thank
making
you.
my dream come true.
حبيبتي. I'm proud of you always. I'm proud.
Yeah, let's
Thank
do
you.
more good for a lot of people out there. So
Of
thank
course,
you.
of course. شكرا جزيلا.
Thank you.